My name is Roland Ruhumuriza. I'm the area manager Africa for De Lorenzo for over the past 10 years. De Lorenzo equipment, and in this specific case, didactic equipment, are meant to convert theory into practice. And when it comes to technical and vocational education, they are practical skills that cannot just be taught in theory. It's very important to support the teachers by giving them the relevant tools they need to teach the students practically, and for the students to be able to actually see the relevant components that are written in books or they will end up working with when they go to industry. An example of the importance of didactic equipment and how they actually help in really converting theory into practice is when we had 3 students here in Milan from Ghana that came to actually study on automation. In less than 3 weeks, they were able then to start understanding not only the theoretical concept of automation, but even the practical elements, that they started to develop their own robotics arm, and they created a robotics arm training kit to train other students in Ghana on automation, how to program robots or how to program robotic arms. And this is in itself a clear demonstration of the importance of didactic equipment for the TVET sector. And we firmly believe that this is where, again, innovation and industrialization will come and take place, by giving the relevant skills to young people or even adults, why not, that they can directly transfer to industry and take into work or into self-employment.